Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are decorating in the farmhouse design style. I'm decorating my loft area. I know what you're probably thinking, you guys. I normally decorate in glam style, but I wanted to give you guys another option. Everything in this video was purchased from the at-home store and will be listed in the description box below for you. Now this picture really stood out to me because of the words home sweet home, and it also has a very rustic vibe, and of course it gives off a warm and cozy vibe as well. And that's really what the farmhouse style is about. Next, I'm adding lamps to the buffet table, and both lamps have the same beautiful gray floral pattern on them. And this really stood out to me without breaking away from the farmhouse style. I added these really cute rustic off-white boxes to add a little height to the table. Now, you don't want everything to look flat and boring. So of course I made one box face forward, and the box on the top I kind of tilted to the right, or you can also tilt it towards the left. Then as I continued to walk around the store, I ran across this really pretty picture stand, and it went really well with the boxes. And of course, I found this rustic gray vase, and it pulled the entire look together. And it has white in it as well, which pairs well with the lamps and the stack boxes. I'm placing it in the middle of the buffet table, and I'm kind of like going around and making sure everything is equally apart from each other, and that I have given a little symmetry to the table. You really want to focus on balancing the table out, and that's what makes it pop and look great. I found these flowers at Kirkland for $6.99 a piece. I added the yellow flowers for additional pop of color. If you like a more clean look, you can stop at this point. But of course, you guys know that I like a full table, so I'm adding the gray wooden crosses to it as well. And they have the encouraging words that goes with them. And these are the gray crosses that I was talking about with the encouraging words. And they say hope, love, and faith. And I didn't just get two, because everything already has two. If you notice, I have two lamps. I have two additional pieces on each side of the lamp. And then I have one piece in the middle, which is the rustic vase. And then I went back to three, which was the matching crosses. And this is your farmhouse style look number one. Now I'm going to remove one lamp and rearrange some of the decor for a less expensive look. You don't always have to go out and purchase new lamps. Lamps can be very, very, very expensive. With a little rearranging, it can still be a really cute buffet table or entryway to your home. So now I'm just going to remove the 3 crosses and I'm going to add in some really cute set of chickens that I found and I fell in love with. You can actually place items inside of the chickens, and I would say if you're doing the entryway of your home, it'll be a great place to store your keys. And it's all about lining them up perfect. And again, I just play around with it, and that's how I get a feel of what looks right and what don't look right. I'm now placing the rustic vase back in the center, and now I'm adding the lamp back. And this is your farmhouse style number 3. Now, for the final look, I'm just going to switch out the rustic vase for what I like to call the Chip and Joanna Gaines glass vase. If you don't know who Chip and Joanna Gaines are, oh my God, go look them up. They are amazing, especially if you're more attracted to the farmhouse style. I removed the yellow flowers because the vase adds a pop of color. Therefore, I left it neutral. And this is your farmhouse style number 4. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Sunday in a new one.